Hello everyone and welcome. Now in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Bitlocker in Windows. So there are many troubleshooting issues we're going to be facing today. Now here are some common problems and their solution. Now if you're having a problem with your Bitlocker recovery key prompt, what you do is, what I mean is that if you are repeatedly prompted for the recovery key, ensure that you are using the correct key. If you've lost or forgotten it, you may need to use data recovery services, which can be expensive. The problem that will appear will be Bitlocker not showing in Windows 11 or 10. Solution is to check the services by ensuring that the Bitlocker drive encryption service is running. Next, if you're using the domain of environment, check your group project settings for restriction on Bitlocker. Then the next thing, sorry, give me a sec. Yeah, the next thing is, if the problem is saying Bitlocker recovery screen after Windows booting, Bitlocker is showing you the Bitlocker recovery screen after Windows booting, what do? Solution is simply to do what? Secure the boot. How? Temporarily disable secure boot in your BIOS/UE settings, that is UEFI settings actually, and then that's it. Once you temporarily disable the settings, you should be able to solve the problem. Then, or you can change the boot mode to legacy there. After disabling secure boot, change it to legacy in the same settings. Now the next problem we're looking at is Bitlocker encrypted drive not accessible. Bitlocker encrypted drive not accessible. Now if you're having this problem, what do? So if you're having this problem, what you have to do is check your hardware. Ensure the drive is properly connected and detected by your system. Then check for errors. Run a disk check chkdsk to rule out drive corruption. Then you can also repair Bitlocker metadata. Use the manage BDE command and inverted command prompt to repair corrupted metadata. That's it. Now for general troubleshooting steps, this is what you do. Restart your computer. Sometimes the simple restart is all it takes to resolve temporal glitches. Then you can also check for updates. Ensure your Windows and Bitlockers are up to date. Then you can consult Microsoft support. If you've tried these steps and you're still having issues, simply contact Microsoft support for assistance. Make sure you back up your data before attempting any fixes. It's very important to back up the data to a external drive. Also be very cautious, because incorrectly modifying Bitlocker settings can lead to data loss. If you're unsure about any steps, simply consult a qualified technician. By following these steps and carefully considering your specific issue, you should be able to resolve most Bitlocker problems in Windows. That's it for today. Thank you. See you tomorrow.